Hi everyone, happy midterm week. I just wanted to check in because many of you had questions regarding the midterm and also the discussion board that's posted within a folder. So if you go to the weekly itinerary and click on the week 8 folder, you'll see right now is just a discussion board. So click on that. And that's where you can actually post any questions that you have about the midterm exam. And I wanted to create a discussion board forum so that all of your peers could actually access the discussion board and see the answers. I think many of you are a little unsure of how to study or where to start, but really you shouldn't really have to study too much because you're going to have all the texts at your disposal since you're taking it at home. So the midterm is only composed of 2 short answer questions or open-ended questions. One question is going to ask you about how a theme specifically relates to the time period in which it was written and how it relates to the author's purpose. The second question is going to ask you about a specific literary time period. And I'm going to ask you to analyze one of the poet's poems and explain how it represents that time period. That's all. So I'll be looking at your content, I'll be looking at your organization of ideas, I'll be looking at how you integrate textual evidence, and I'll be looking at your own analysis. Okay? This is your own interpretation, and anything really goes as long as you support it with concrete evidence and you cite it properly. Please, all answers are submitted to Turnitin.com, so anything that you do copy or paraphrase must be cited. Any other questions, feel free to call me or email me, and you have 2 hours to complete that exam. You must take it once you open the exam. So if you open it tomorrow night, you will have to take it within the 2 hours of you opening the exam. You have until Sunday evening to take the exam. Any questions, let me know. Good luck.